Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming you meet YouTube's shopping eligibility and merchant center requirements. Gather product details including clear title, honest description, price, and SKU. Prepare high-resolution images at least 1,000 pixels wide and accurate dimensions. Have return policy, shipping settings, and tax details ready for setup. Export product list as CSV or connect via supported platform like Shopify. Decide accurate inventory counts and variants such as size and color. Double-check compliance with Open YouTube Studio and sign in with the channel that has merchant access. Go to the monetization or shopping tab depending on your account layout. Click Add Product, then choose Manual Entry or Import from Merchant Center. Enter product title, description, price, SKU, and set visible availability. Upload primary image plus alternate images and set the main thumbnail. Confirm tax and shipping overrides if they differ from your default settings. Save the product and review the preview before publishing to ensure accuracy. After saving, submit the product for review if YouTube requires manual approval. Monitor status in the shopping dashboard for approved, pending, or disapproved items. Fix disapprovals by correcting policy issues, images, or inaccurate pricing quickly. Link products to videos and live streams using product cards or merch shelves. Track clicks, views, and conversions through analytics and merchant reports daily. Adjust pricing, inventory, or creative based on performance insights and seasonality. Set alerts for low inventory and automate updates via CSV or API syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.